So there's an issue of the handheld shower mount not matching the handheld shower. It doesn't fit, so put it this way, it slides off. View from the side, let's try looking at it from the side like that. Okay, so it slides off. Let's try putting it this way, sideways, to see if the head itself, like the upper part of the head, will go in. No, it doesn't fit. So from top to the bottom, it won't fit. And so, of course, the slimmer cable fits, but nothing is holding it back from slipping or sliding out. So there you go. From the side, there you go. So it's not a match, and instead of leaving it just hanging on the bathtub, I decided to just put it up there like that. So I guess that kind of works, maybe.